Today I'm giving my detailed reaction and review without spoilers. So let's go. Bro, Stranger Things. Season 5, Volume 1 is finally out, and honestly, it feels like the show returned with its strongest opening since Season 1. From the very first frame, the tone, the tension, and the atmosphere hit different. Today I'm giving my full A reaction and review without spoilers. So let's go. The opening scene set a darker tone than we've seen before. The show doesn't waste time. The mystery begins immediately, and the way the camera moves, the sound design, the silence mixed with sudden tension. Bro, it grabs your attention fast. It feels like the creators want to remind us why this show became a global phenomenon. It's cinematic, intense, and instantly pulls you back into the world of Hawkins. One thing I really liked is how the characters feel grown. Their emotions are more serious, the friendships feel deeper and heavier. 11 is going through emotional weight. Will is still connected to the danger in a big way, and he have power even. He don't know, but that climax was massive. Just watch it. And Mike is confused yet supportive. Dustin looks so funny, and Mac's character is less. But some emotional drama comes, and Lucas feels more responsible. Every character has their own moment that reminds you how far they've come since season 1. Volume 1 mainly sets up something massive. The storyline moves steadily, not too fast, not too slow. There are scenes where you're like, bro, what is happening? You'll notice how the show builds layers of mystery. The danger feels closer, more personal, and you can feel that something huge is waiting in volume 2. Even the small dialogues feel connected to something bigger. I won't give spoilers, but I'll say this. The new danger in Hawkins is easily one of the scariest things this show has teased. It's not just about monsters anymore, it's about fear, trauma, and how the characters face their darkest moments. The way the show builds this threat, it makes your chest tight. It's not random, it's emotional and connected to the story. Visually, Volume 1 looks insane. Netflix clearly spent money. The VFX is movie level, the lighting is rich, and the camera work is creative. There are scenes that look like big screen cinema. The upside down shots are darker, moodier, and full of tiny details. Even normal scenes in Hawkins feel upgraded. This might be the most cinematic season yet. The music in this season is powerful. You'll get nostalgia, tension, mystery, and those signature Stranger Things synth vibes. They use silence beautifully too. Some moments are scary, not because of sound, but because there is no sound. It puts pressure on you as a viewer. Bro, this season knows how to make atmosphere. The pacing is well balanced. Every episode gives a mix of tension, calm moments, and clues. No scene feels wasted. Some moments are slow on purpose. They build suspense and fear. The screen time is shared nicely. Every main character gets something important to do. Overall, bro, Stranger Things Season 5. Volume 1 is a powerful start. It sets up huge mysteries, brings back the emotional weight, and delivers cinematic visuals and a darker tone. You'll finish Volume 1 with a lot of questions, but in a good way. It feels like the calm before a massive storm. So, yeah, bro, that was my full reaction and review for Stranger Things Season 5, Volume 1. If you watched it, tell me your opinion in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more Stranger Things content. Volume 2 is going to be insane. You can feel